As indicated by our Cardano cost expectation, the cost of ADA is anticipated to drop by $0.006855 over the course of the following 7 days, coming to $0.247018 by September 25, 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. Assuming you are looking for Cardano market gauge examination or cost expectation, you likely need to know where the cost of Cardano, ADA, may in a real sense go from here on out. Our cost forecasts utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt to foresee future cost developments, which in a real sense is very critical. This value expectation is pointed toward addressing the majority of your inquiries, or so they thought. Will Cardano, ADA, recover its all-time high in a significant way? What will Cardano sort of be really worth 1 month from now? Is currently the ideal opportunity to purchase Cardano? Is Cardano presently giving bullish or negative indications? In this Cardano cost expectation figure, we will deal with different ADA specialized pointers to, in every practical sense, anticipate the cost of Cardano. Cardano financial backers have encountered returns of more than 3.32% on their speculation this previous week, kind of because of the bullish period ADA has encountered. In the wake of dissecting the specialized pointers for ADA, we expect a slight remedy could occur over the really following couple of days in an especially huge manner. Underneath you can see the Cardano hourly, day-to-day, week-by-week and month-to-month cost expectations, which is very huge. These expectations plan to provide you with a sign of what Cardano will generally be somewhat worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, throughout the following week, and 1 month from now, which is very critical. Cardano, ADA, verifiable cost and market investigation. The ongoing cost of Cardano is $0.253873, and it is at present positioned number 7 out of all digital forms of money. How much stockpile as of now available for use for Cardano is 35,108,262,396, with a complete market capitalization of $8,908,114,977. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of Cardano for the most part has expanded by 1.37%. Cardano has developed at a consistent speed throughout recent days, acquiring 3.32%. This increment truly has Cardano financial backers amped up for the profit from venture that they explicitly have made for this present week in an unpretentious manner. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of ADA dropped by 4.58%, diminishing its past worth of $0.266058 by $0.012185. This by and large current downtrend implies that Cardano is in plunge at the present time. The cost of Cardano really has dropped by 2.40% over the most recent 3 months, disposing of $0.006243 from its past worth of $0.260115. Our Cardano market figures are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which especially dissect different specialized pointers. For example, the overall strength file, RSI, moving normal intermingling dissimilarity, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, extremely normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB. The crypto market is known to explicitly be profoundly unstable. Anticipating future costs of Cardano essentially is a troublesome undertaking, and genuinely numerous in every way that really matters. Different variables impact the cost. Subsequently, the forecasts on our site ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to do your own exploration in an unpretentious manner. Counsel your monetary guide prior to pursuing any venture choices. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we in every practical sense are expecting that Cardano will accomplish a most extreme cost of $0.456971. As the market begins to recuperate, the base expected cost is $0.304647, and the typical cost will float around $0.380809. Cardano, ADA, Value Expectation 2024. As Cardano keeps on arriving at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, Cardano can truly accomplish a very most extreme cost of $0.710844, while the by and large normal cost for the year will truly remain around $0.634682. In the event that a bear market shows up, the base value ADA can sort of reach in 2024 is $0.55852. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2025. Out of 2025, we anticipate that Cardano should see amazing development, as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Accordingly, the cost could reach as high as $0.964716, averaging around $0.888554. Cardano could, in every way that really matters, see a base cost of $0.812393, which is genuinely critical. Cardano, ADA, value forecast 2026. With the proceeded with development of truly capital in the crypto market, Cardano could arrive at a greatest cost of $1.22 in 2026, with a typical cost of $1.14. If an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast sits at $1.07. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2027. Considering the reception of ADA by nations all over the planet, Cardano can guarantee a greatest cost of $1.47 by 2027, with a typical cost of $1.40 anticipated. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could see $1.32. Cardano, ADA, value forecast 2028. In the year 2028, Cardano reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to especially acknowledge that crypto is staying put. Financial backers could see ADA arriving at a greatest cost of $1.73 by 2028, followed by a base cost of $1.57, which sort of is genuinely critical. The typical cost for 2028 is supposed to be $1.65. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2029. Of every 2029, sort of because of the development over the absolute most recent 5 years, we will see one more significant bull, which in every way that really matters implies that Cardano financial backers might see ADA accomplish an especially greatest cost of $1.98, followed by an exceptionally normal cost of $1.90, which essentially is genuinely huge. The base cost got from our specialized examination sort of is $1.83. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2030. For the year 2030, ADA is supposed to keep on energizing towards $2.23. In light of market opinion, neglecting to acquire this help could in a real sense see Cardano fundamentally normal around $2.16, and base out $2.08. Or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2030.